Guys, welcome to Easton Model Bio. In this video, I will be talking about Claire Stone, biography, wiki, age, career, social handle and net worth. If you are new here, please subscribe and click the bell button to get all the new updates. Claire Stone, also known as Claire Bear, is an American model, Instagram star, TikTok star, and YouTube star. She is known for her photo and video content about fitness, beauty, POV, summer outfits, and other content on social media. Claire Bear started her career by creating an Instagram account in 2014. She posted content about modeling, fashion outfit, summer outfits fitness outfit, travel, and more. In 2019, she created a TikTok account. Her first post was made in December of the same year. On her TikTok account, she shares fitness, lip sync, dancing, beauty, POV, summer outfits, and fun content with her friends. In addition to TikTok and Instagram, she also created a YouTube channel. There, she shares try-on-haul videos, fitness, vlogs, and more. Claire is one of the lucky ones who managed to gain a lot of followers in just a short time. Not only that, she was also signed by many brands to become a brand, especially for beach outfits and fitness products. Claire Stone is a private woman who does not want to share her personal life information with the public. Therefore, it is not known whether she is dating or not. Claire Bear's net worth is around $100,000 to $1 million. The wealth is earned from her profession as a model. She also earns from endorsements and brand promotions. Thanks for watching.